Hi dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lisa G, and today I'm going to show you how I did this design that I got inspired by the video of Ariana Grande, which is 7 rings, like you read it on the title. And I was watching this video and I saw like the letters, the name, the title of the video, and I really like it. It's really Tokyo, it's really bright, and it's pink, and I was like, maybe I can try it on my nails. So I did it. I post a photo on Instagram if you want to go and check that out. But I'm going to try to recreate my own. I grab here acrylic paint, a baby blue, baby pink, and white. So I can make it a little bit lighter than this. And then I put my base, which is this one from Pure Ice. It's like a baby pink. Barbie pink. And the name is Festi or Fiesti, or yeah. Yes, it's this one. So I'm going to try to do it again, just for you, so you can see. It's not something that I can teach. It's mostly, practice and try not to breathe challenge thing. So I just wanted to show you. Okay, I'm going to grab my pink color and start doing the number 7 in here. So I'm sorry if I block the camera. I don't even know how to do this without looking. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I cannot believe that this one is better than the first one I did. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to do the little square around it. Okay guys, now that I have all the letters here, I'm gonna let them dry, and then I'm going back again so I can make it a little bit opaque because we have some kind of like streaky lines here. I am done with the double layer now, so we're going to do, let me just scroll up a little bit. I'm going to grab this blue, baby blue, and mix it with white. And first, we're gonna take on top of the number 7. I'm going to start with the letters right here that I don't even know what that means. Maybe 7 rings in Japanese. So I'm going to try. Alrighty dolls, this is the end result. I just put a little bit of top coat and a bunch of diamonds on this one because, you know, Ariana Grande's video has a lot of diamonds and stuff. So I wanted to do that so we can have a little bling bling. I hope you guys like it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah! You like my nails? Gee, thanks.